Hey guys, BondTitch12 here, and today's video is going to be about how to customize your dock and your icons. So, one application for customizing your dock is Dock Library, and in the link, I'll put a link in the description for the website where you can download these applications, and I'll show you how to download them after the tutorial. So, I'm going to go ahead and activate the default dock here. So I have the default dock right now, and I want this carbon fiber dock. So I'm going to hit it. I'm going to click activate. So it activated, right? Okay. So it relaunches your dock, which basically what it's going to do is open any program that you have minimized here. So to get more docks, you're going to go to this website called leoparddocks.com. Right here, it's the big letters. So, say I wanted this dock here, comic style glass. I'm gonna go ahead and download it. Here's the comic glass dock zip. Minimize that. I'm gonna go into my downloads folder and open up the zip. And so double click on archives and opens. So comic glass dock. If you double click it, it's gonna make a folder. And so these are the instructions, and then all the stuff that goes with the dock that makes it what it looks like. So I have a docs folder right here. You don't have to have a docs folder, but I keep it because I don't like a cluttered desktop. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to drag it and place it in my docs folder. So I'm going to open Dock Library, and I'm going to hit import. So I'm going to hit wherever you have your docs saved, or the folder that contains your dock. Say if you have it in your user or whatever. I have it on my desktop, so I'm going to go to the desktop, find my docs folder here, and comic glass dock. So I'm going to open it, and here it is, comic glass. It looks a lot like the default dock, but there's stripes going that way instead of a wave. So hit activate, and there you go. That's comic stripes, or sorry, comic glass. Wow. Minimize that. Okay. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description for leoparddocks.com and macupdate.com, which is where you download these applications. So our next application is going to be SuperDocker. Let me find it. Sorry. SuperDocker right here. So okay, you can configure your dock right here. This is right here. So you can make icon transparency, which it doesn't really show that well, or I don't even see what it does. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. And you can automatically hide your dock. I have it off because I don't like it hidden. And you can also lock your icons so that you can't take one of your icons off here and drag it here and it poops away. So and these are your dock. You can do dock styles like 3D or 2D. 2D kind of sucks. You can't customize this at all. So keep it on 3D. And geez, you can change the alignment if you have a smaller dock. Mine takes up the whole bottom of the screen, so I can't change the alignment. But you can change the position on the screen, like the left side. Also, you can't customize this because it's just 2D. Or on the right side, here too, and then bottom. I keep it on the bottom because it looks sweet there. So you can these are minimizing effects. Like this is Genie. I'll show you Genie. So it looks like that. And sorry, okay, SuperDocker. So here's scale, which just scales it down, and we can open that. Let me show it. And then this is suck, which this one just kind of like yanks it down from the corner and puts it in there really, really fast. I think by your name you can tell it sucks. So I'm gonna change it back to Genie, and these you can add separators to your applications that are open. See, like that's a separator for your applications, and then an application to your documents that are open, which I don't have any. So I'm gonna go ahead and right here. It would be right here. So you're gonna take that and you can click and you can drag it and poof it like that, or you can right click on it. Oh, let me show you. You can right click right where that thing is. Where'd it go? Okay, so you can right click and remove from dock. And then, okay, so here's stacks. You can customize the background of your stacks. See, mine's black. I'll change it to blue because that's the default color for when you start this, just because I want to get this done quickly. Apply, enter your password, and it says, okay, it's been applied. So you go in here, and now it's blue. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to change that to black, because black is sweet. As you can tell, I really like black. Okay, apply, enter your password. And, okay, so you can also do stuff like add the quit button to Finder, which I wouldn't do that because it kind of is stupid. Why would you want to quit Finder? And you can show hidden files, which will show the files that are hidden from you by the system. Dashboard. Okay, developer mode, also known as dev mode, right here. This is really cool. So say I want iStats Pro on my desktop all the time. So I take it, wiggle a little bit, close the dashboard, and it's on there. So to put it back into dashboard, just click, turn dashboard on, wiggle it a little bit, and then unclick. And there you go, it's back on dashboard. So you can also customize your widgets bar, or your dashboard bar, and you can customize the Safari stuff. And that is all for SuperDocker. Now you're done with customizing your dock. So now I'm going to show you how to customize your icons. It's an app called CandyBar. So give it a second to load. Okay, I don't want the update. So you can download icons, and I'll put a link in the description from a good website to download it. I'll show you the website actually right now. It's called findicons.com, and you can search, like, if you want to find your icon. Here you go. It'll have a bunch of Finder icons. I mean, this is like one of the most popular things in there. It has like a bunch of pages. It only goes up to 6, but I think there's more. So like this dragon one, or this one that doesn't have the other half of the face. Yeah, you got those. So let me quit that. And then, okay, so back here. So this is my red and black theme one that I've been setting up. So this would be Google Chrome, that would be Files, Applications, iTunes, and then Documents. So if I want to change my Finder, I take it, I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to hit Apply. I'm not going to apply right now because I don't want to have this on there. So, and then you can change your applications, all the ones for your applications like Chrome, and then this is more of like your system stuff. And then this is your dock. And you can also customize your dock with this, what kind of dock separator you have between your applications over here and then your files. And that's all your separation. Okay, so that's all for how to customize. I'll be doing another video on how to customize your menu bar, like all these things. So please rate and subscribe below.